Tints are illegal.
Okay, it don't matter.
It does.
Move out the way.
Turn
Move
off
out
your
the
car.
way.
Turn off your car. Stay right there. Turn off your car.
I'm not a psychiatrist, but something tells me that this guy's attitude ain't gonna win any brownie points with the boys in blue.
I'm not finna turn it. What do you want? What do you want, bro? Don't stop. Don't open my motherfucking door.
Take your hand out of your pocket and give me your driver's license.
Here.
Do you have insurance, sir?
Yeah, I got insurance. I told you I had insurance.
Can I see it? Get in the car.
Give me my license.
Get in the car.
Let me go. Hurry up.
While I'm not for active police criminality, again, taken from the Mullen Commission, those are exact quotes. That's an exact quote. I am also not for people just being belligerent and mean-spirited and irrational and illogical. But then I also have to ask myself, okay, but who initiated this traffic stop and why? Was there a crime afoot? Did this stop have to happen? Did there have to be this interaction? So this man attracts police attention on the streets and expects not to be pulled over.
On January 8, 2024, an officer conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle for various non-moving violations in Oak Lawn, Illinois. These violations included driving without front and rear license plates, illegal headlights, and
driving without front and rear license plates, driving with, covers on your headlights, and extremely dark window tint. I'm not hearing about a victim in there. Who was victimized by this? Let's listen to that again.
Illegal window tints included driving without front and rear license plates, illegal headlights, and illegal window tints.
That's a traffic stop. Turn the car.
I don't care. What you stopping me for? Because I don't got no plate.
You got a plate?
I just bought the time.
Tints are illegal.
Okay, it don't matter.
It does.
Move out the way.
Turn
Move
off
out
your
the
car.
way.
Turn off your car. Stay right there. Turn off your car.
I'm not finna turn it. What do you want?
This is a traffic stop. Turn off your car.
And my motherfucking car overheating.
I see that. You got your driver's license, insurance, please.
Yeah. What did you? What do you want, bro?
This is a traffic stop. I'm pulling you over for your tints.
I don't know, bro. I'm on 90.
You are absolutely free to be ignorant. Be ignorant all you want.
And I'm on 87th. Then what is this?
Can I have your driver's license, please?
I'm on 87th and Cicero.
Can I have your driver's license, please?
My motherfucking car overheating.
Okay. Can I have your driver's license, please?
Yeah. What station you in? Don't stop. Don't open my motherfucking door.
Take your hand out of your pocket and give me your driver's license.
Here.
Door stays open.
I will say this about the cop. Yeah, in my opinion, from my perspective, no crime was committed. This guy wasn't in the process of harming anybody. The cop is not making everybody safe because he didn't have a license, proof of insurance, and dark tinted windows. This interaction should never happen. I can understand the guy. We can acknowledge a whole lot of things here. I can acknowledge the guy, the reason the guy is upset, because now he's being harassed literally for no reason. It's all made up. Traffic law is just all made. It's just a made up reason to come up with an excuse to harass a fellow human being, something you wouldn't want done in your life. And if it was a fellow officer, he wouldn't have done that to you. Oh, you're a fellow cop. Okay, bye. Have a good day. So I can understand this guy being upset. But also, you can act with knowledge, and you can act with wisdom, and you can act with grace and humility, and you can act with respect.
Yeah, hurry up. I'm on 95th and what? What is this? Hurry up and do what you finna do.
Central 311. Can I get another unit, please? I also got a file for you.
Yeah, these always fucking with me. Always.
You have insurance?
Yeah, I got insurance.
Can I see it, please?
Yeah, they steady on me.
The road pirate is pretty patient with this guy. Pretty interesting. But then again, does he get brownie points for being patient? He's the guy doing the harassing. So it's always a mind F to me when the guy that's doing the harassing, i.e. the badged law enforcer, gets upset at the guy he's harassing. And in this case, I can see why people, it's like, hats off to this officer for maintaining his composure and being so calm in the face of such adversity. Wow. I don't think I could have done that. It's like, yeah, but would you have initially pulled the guy over in the first place?
10-4.
I don't know. He ain't following me for shit. I was on 87 Central. This motherfucker ain't go past where he's supposed to go past.
Do you have insurance, sir?
Yeah, I got insurance. I told you I had insurance.
Can I see it? I'm asking you to see it. You're
Yeah,
not
I'm finna pull it up for you right now.
Okay. Well, if you answer me, I don't have to keep asking
Okay,
the question.
and don't ask me no more. There you go, right there.
This guy's
There,
being
don't grab my phone. Look at it.
I can't see it.
Okay, it don't matter. Look at it. You can see it right here.
Okay.
Look at it.
I'll
Don't
just
grab my phone.
I'll just write you a ticket.
No, you're not gonna write me shit. Here, look at it.
Stay inside the car.
Look at it. You're not gonna write me shit. Give me my motherfucking phone. You're not gonna write me shit.
This isn't to this car.
Yes, the it is. I got SR22.
Yeah, but that's not.
It don't matter. I got SR22. Go right your bitch ass thing.
It is just not wise to act like this. When you start acting like this and you got a cop that you know has a fragile ego, you better hope he doesn't act on that fragile ego. Just not, it's not walking in wisdom.
Keep the car off.
What's your badge number?
Keep the car off. Don't move the car.
What's your badge number?
That's a lawful order, by the way. Don't move the car.
Oh boy.
It'll be on the ticket. It will be. Nice and big for you.
Oh boy.
Stay in the car, man.
You said what?
Stay in the car.
What are you doing?
I'm writing you tickets. You're
For
staying
what?
in the
What
car.
are you writing me tickets for?
I'll explain to you when I give them to you. Get in the car.
Give me my license.
Get in the car. You're about to be arrested.
I'm about to be arrested for what?
Obstruct.
If this guy had all the money in the world and clues were half price at Walmart, he could not buy a clue. This guy does not know how to conduct himself in a safe and effective manner.
And I'm going to tow your car.
For what?
You're disobeying a lawful order. Stay in the car.
Bro, I'm not disobeying shit.
Did I just give you a lawful order?
You ain't give me a lawful shit.
Stay in the car.
Hold on. Let me hold on.
Sure.
Hold on.
What can I do for you? You're prolonging the traffic stop because while I'm out here talking with you, I can't write the ticket.
Hurry the fuck up and write my ticket so I can go.
Then stay in
my
the car.
car finna overheat.
Look at this guy's face. Okay, I just want to say I am not for the cop. I'm not for his thin blue line buddies, and I'm definitely not on this guy's side right here. I believe that he should not have ever been harassed to begin with, and I don't blame him for being as upset as he is, but he's got such a short fuse, it's not going to work for him.
Let me go. Hurry up.
Then stay in the car.
Going on. Hurry the fuck up.
Wow. This guy.
He's a little upset. Yeah, it's all right. So I've already told him don't move his car. If he moves his car, he's being arrested.
Yeah, I got no love for this guy at all. No love at all. But also, I do sympathize with him being upset about being interrupted and harassed by road pirates.
Because he was trying to tell them to move and back his car up. I told him if he gets out of his car again, he's being arrested because I've already given him a lawful order to stay inside the car. He's getting more angry because I'm not, so. He probably would have taken off on me if his car wasn't overheating.
All of his windows tinted?
Oh, very much so. He's got no plates on the car either.
Second.
He's got no plates on the car.
Oh, really? Did you get a VIN?
I haven't had a chance. If you guys want to go up there and grab one for me, I'd appreciate it.
Hey, sir. Do you have any registration for the vehicle?
You said what?
Do you have any registration for the vehicle?
I just bought it the other day. He already know that.
Okay. Can you unblock your VIN?
Okay, you can see that. You see that dead ass frog right there? Can I unblock the dead ass frog?
You can move it if you want.
I can't move that.
Okay, can you open your door so I can see the VIN on the door?
Go ahead. Just
I think there's a psychological component that we got to point out here. The cops are being so calm in the midst of what most people who would be called bootlickers consider a tough situation, a belligerent individual. Usually cops get the deference of the general public and people will side with them even when they're doing wrong. How much more when they seem calm in the middle of the storm, verbal storm that this guy is laying on him. This is the power of being calm. This is the power of being rational. Even if you're road pirates and you were the initiators of the aggression and the harassment, this is how you get a whole lot of people to side with you. And this is how this dude right here, this The driver operator of this car is getting the ire of most of the people. Most people with a modicum of common sense and decency will not side with this guy. The decision will be made based on the actions of the players involved in the video. Okay. Because a lot of people don't have the ability to critically think because they've been mentally neutered through incessant fake stream CIA infiltrated Operation Mockingbird, MK Ultra media propaganda. So they can't parse out, oh, there's two bad guys in this situation. There's a guy who can't control his temper. He doesn't know how to regulate his anger. He doesn't know how to conduct himself with decorum. He's acting like a thug. And on the other side of it, oh, look, the law enforcement officers are keeping their cool. They're keeping their composure. They're being so professional. So most people can't put two and two together and go, well, both parties on both opposing sides are probably cruddy people. They can't parse that out because critical thinking has pretty much been bastardized. I don't know what else to say about it.
That's all you finna see is my van.
Is it on this side or?
No,
is
it's
it on
right
this side?
there. It's right there.
Oh, look at that. Perfect. Central 312 is in. 1 George Rob. We might have to get that again because the dispatcher doesn't always hear everything.
Okay, well, get it again.
What state did you purchase it from?
Indiana.
Indiana? Okay. Let me make sure that they get it. Central 312. You try that at Indiana. If it doesn't come back, we'll meet all 50. All right, we'll come back up to you in a minute.
He was on the phone with somebody telling him where he was at, so
Okay.
someone else might be showing up. I don't know.
21, I'm getting her back on Indiana, got a Rochester, or a Brown, Aurora.
10-4, can you send that to 311's last? A tan Aurora? Yeah, what do you know?
820, abandoned vehicle, 9708 Coldwater.
820.
All right. Now he committed the ultimate sin in the eyes of the cops. He just moved his vehicle after the initial officer who stopped him told him, don't move your vehicle. That is a lawful order. So now in the cops' minds, if you go against the lawful order, that is automatic grounds for arrest. This guy, in the midst of being belligerent, could have just gotten away with just getting a ticket. Now he's going to the station.
Sir, stop the vehicle!
Abandoned vehicle,
Sir, stop the vehicle!
The resident she was back.
Okay. Step out! Step out of the vehicle, sir! Hang on, Liam. You're under arrest! Step out of the vehicle, sir! Step out of the vehicle! Put your hands on top of your head!
I'm not going nowhere. I'm just going right here.
Nope. I told you not to move the car, and I told you not to get out of the car. And you did all of those things.
Bro, what are you talking about, bro? Tatiana, where's you at?
Everything I just told you. I told you multiple
Where's
times.
that, bro?
Good
I'm
thing
not going nowhere.
We're gonna save your battery here, okay?
No, don't turn my phone off.
Yeah, well, let's get.
For our safety and yours, we gotta shut it off.
All right.
Step right back here.
Come on, let's go this way. I'm not sure why you wanted to escalate this
What are
situation.
you talking about? I'm
Not sure why you wanted to escalate this situation, says the person who initiated the situation. We're going to leave. I can only imagine that there are some comments like, imagine going through life behaving like a rat trapped in a trash bag. Thank you for police for keeping us safe from these psychos. See that the general public is going to look at this as one of those situations that makes cops, it's a confirmation bias within their minds where, I knew cops were good. Look at this. This is one of the most impressive displays of professionalism and patience I have ever seen. I can see why they would say that. Driving with no plate, illegal tints, illegal headlights, gets mad after being pulled over. Yeah, because you didn't commit a crime. You went against some kind of traffic code policy that trumps individual rights that should never be, then escalates a traffic citation into being arrested. You can't make this up. 945 likes. I've never enjoyed watching someone get arrested as much as this guy. The stereotype is strong with this one. And you could have literally reversed the roles, dude, if you just kept calm. You just kept patient, just kept respectful and logical and reasonable.
Explaining nothing.
Sure, you're the only one out here.
What I'm doing.
You're the only one out here screaming, sir. Are the keys still in the car, sir?
They on my hood.
They're in your hood?
Yeah. So what are you doing? Don't put me in that car. What are you doing?
You're under arrest and we're
I'm
towing
under
your
arrest
car.
for what?
Disobeying a lawful order. The thing I told you were going to be arrested for, if you moved the car, you stepped out of the car.
I just put the car right there.
Which I told you not to do.
Let me talk to you.
No,
Stop. I'm going to talk to you.
Well,
Let me talk to you.
You can talk sitting down.
Okay, let me talk to you.
Sure.
Let me talk to you. 345. Let me talk to you.
Absolutely. What's up?
Okay, stop. Go move.
No. He's going to buck you in. I'm not going to close the door,
though. Just let me talk to you.
Sure.
Come here.
I'm right here.
Okay, come here.
I'm right here, man.
All
What's
right,
up?
come here. Stop. Come here. Just come here.
I'm right here.
Just come here.
I'm right here.
No.
You and I can talk.
Okay, can we
My
talk?
body
No.
cam is
all right.
right here.
Listen, I have to go get my kids from school. Can you please just write my ticket so I can go home,
Okay.
please?
We are well past that.
We not past nothing.
Oh yeah, we are. You've done nothing but scream and yell at me this entire time.
Nothing. Okay. All right, stop.
I gave
Just
you
stop.
multiple
Okay.
commands not to do
Listen.
things that you kept doing.
Just stop.
I warned you multiple
Okay.
times, man.
Stop. 345. Can you please? Are you a sergeant?
I am not.
You are not.
No.
Can you please just write my ticket so I can go, please?
Yeah, I'll write him at the station. Watch your
No, stop.
I can see why they would say, no, it's too late. We're past that point. I see why they're saying that. I don't agree with either side on this, either side. But I would more side with the person who got harassed and not on the side of the people who initiated the harassment. They weren't making society more peaceful and more safe and more serene. Yeah, this guy's got a short fuse. He's probably some kind of psycho. He can't control his anger. There might be more issues under the hood of this guy if you really looked into it. But, I'm not on either person's side right here. I can see why he would act like he's acting, though, because there's a lot of people who do that. I just think it would be better if you acted in a way that would garner you more sympathy from the public, because unfortunately, it's true that perception is everything. Let me know what you have to say about this. You could have a completely different opinion than me, and that would be absolutely hunky-dory. Let's talk about it.